Good morning, student. It's me, Atul Verma, Babu Nasir Das University, Lucknow. Now, today we are going to discuss about mathematical optimization. Okay. Subject MIS. What you get inside? Mathematical optimization, simulation. Okay, let's we start about mathematical optimization. Mathematical optimization is or mathematical programming is the selection of a best element with regard to some quatrain from some set of available alternatives. Optimization problem of sorts arise in all quantitative disciplines from computer and engineering to operation, research and economic, and the development of solution method to being of interested in mathematics for centuries. In the simplest case, an optimization problem consists of maximizing or minimizing a real function by systematically choosing input value from within an allowed set and computing the value of the functions. The generalization of optimization theory and technique to other formulation constitute a large area of applied mathematics. More general optimization includes funding, finding best available value of some objective functions given a defined domain, including a variety of different type of objective functions and different type of domain. Mathematical optimization in industry. What is the mathematical optimization in industry is mathematical programming technology are being used to by leading companies, often resulting in tens or even hundreds of millions of dollars in cost saving and revenue. The following are examples of industries and company using mathematical optimization. Electrical power distribution. New York ISO use optimization to choose the most cost effective way to deliver electricity to customers. Nowadays, India also use such technique to deliver electricity to consumer with cost effective. In finance, Betterment uses optimization to choose the optimal mix of assets which maximize after tax returns while minimizing risk. Government, the FCC used optimization to generate the first sided spectrum auction, generating $20 billion in revenue. Logistic. FedEx. Everyone know about the FedEx company. FedEx streamline cost by optimizing the routing of packages through their shipping network. Next is manufacturing. SAP use Optimization to efficiently schedule the production of goods in factories in order to meet customer orders. Sport scheduling. The NFL use optimization to compute the best possible league schedule. Efficient use of resources. Mathematical optimization can be implemented wherever critical resources are being utilized. Mathematical programming model can capture the important decision in your business process. Which type of question? Should I build this product? Important question. Should I send this truck to Busan? Yeah, another city. Should I buy this stock? Very important question. Always asked before doing anything. Next, capture the resources potentially consumed by this decision. Building this product uses these machines. Sending this truck consumes time, fuel, manpower. Capture the potential conflicts between these activities. The total budget is X dollar. This X dollar means sum of the dollars. Building these two products required the same machine. If I send this truck to Boston, I cannot deliver anything to the New York. Suggest a plan of action that maximize the overall efficiency of the process. You can specify what it means to maximize efficiency, maximizing profit, minimizing cost, minimizing delay, etc. Similarly, your resources can be anything: money, raw material, machines, workers, etc. You can translate the often very tangible items that are part of a business process into the mathematical object that are used and then represent them in the optimization model. Coefficients of objective functions, the variable that express the piece at which the value of the objective function alter, increase or decrease both. When the value are increased in the equation constant, the linear inequalities reflecting the fact that the resources are limited. Input output coefficient. The coefficient of constant which indicate the piece of at which a given resource is utilized or depleted. Capacities which express the minimum resource needed. Remember that it is the managers who determine what best mean for them. Why use simulation modeling? Simulation modeling solve real world problem safely and efficiently. It provides an important method of analyzing which is easily verified, communicated and understand across industry and disciplinary. Simulation modeling provides valuable solution by giving clear insight into complex system. Bits, not atoms. Simulation enables experimentation on a valid digital representation of a system. Unlike physical modeling, such as making a scale copy of a building, simulation modeling is computer based and use algorithms and equations. Simulation software provides a dynamic environment for the analysis of computer models while they are running, including the possibility to view them in 2D or 3D. The uses of simulation in business are varied and it is often utilized when conducting experiment on a real system is impossible or impractical, often because of cost or time. The ability to analyze the model as it runs set simulation modeling apart from other methods such as those using Excel or linear programming. By being able to inspect, process, and interact with the simulation model in action, both understanding and trust are quickly built. Here is some few. First point is a risk-free environment simulation. Modeling provides a safe way to test and explore different what if scenario. The effect of changing staffing level in a plant may be seen without putting production at risk. Make the right decision before making a real world change. Second point, some money and time virtual experiments with simulation models are less expensive and take less time than experiments with the real assist. Marketing campaigning can be tested without altering the competition or unnecessarily spending money. Third point is visualization simulation model can be animated in 2D or 3D, allowing concept and ideas to be more easily verified, communicated, and understood. Analysts and engineers gain trust in a model by seeing it in action and can clearly demonstrate finding to management. Insight, fourth point is insight into dynamic unlike spreadsheet or solver based analytics. Simulation modeling allow the observation of system behavior over time at any level of detail. For example, checking warehouse storage space utilization on any given date. Fifth point, increased accuracy. A simulation model can capture many more detail than an analytical model, providing increased accuracy and more precise forecasting. Mining companies can significantly cut cost by optimizing assets, using and knowing their future equipment needed. And the sixth point is handle uncertainty. Uncertainty in a operation, time and outcome can be easily represented in simulation model, allowing risk quantification and for more robust solution to be found. In logistics, a realistic picture can be produced using simulation, including unpredictable data such as shipment lead times. Simulation model. What is simulation model? Simulation modeling is the process of creating and analyzing a digital prototype of a physical model to predict its performance in the real world. Simulation modeling is used to help designers and engineers understand whether under what condition and in which way a part could fail and what loads it can withstand. Simulation modeling can also help to predict fluid flow or heat transfer pattern. It analyzes that approximate working condition by applying the simulation software. Using of simulation model. Simulation modeling allow designers and engineers to avoid the repeated building of multiple physical prototypes to analyze designing for new or existing part. Before creating the physical prototype, user can investigate many digital prototype. Using the technique, they can optimize geometry for weight and strength. Select materials that meet weight, strength, and budget requirement. Simulate part failure and identify the loading condition that caused them. Access extreme environmental conditions or loads not easily tested on physical prototype, such as earthquake, shock load. Verifying hand calculations validate the likely safety and survival of physical prototype before. Typical simulation model workflow. Simulation model flow a process much like this. Use a 2D or 3D CAD tool to develop a virtual model, also known as a digital prototype, to represent a design. Generate a 2D or 3D mesh for analysis calculation. Automatic algorithm can create finite element meshes, or users can create structured meshes to maintain control over element quality. Define finite element analysis data based on analysis type, thermal, structure, or liquid. Okay. Apply boundary conditions to the model to represent how the part will be restrained during use. Perform finite element analysis, review result, and make engineering budget judgment used on result. Modeling and simulation. Simulation in generally is to pretend that one deals with the real thing while really working with an emission. In operation research, The animation is a computer model of the simulated reality. A flight simulator on a PC is also a computer model of some aspect of the flight. It shows on the screen the contour and what the pilot is supposed to see from the cockpit. Why to use models? To fly a simulator is safer and cheaper than the real airplane. For precisely this reason, models are used in industry, commerce, and military. It is very costly, dangerous, and often impossible to make experiments with real system, provided that models are adequate descriptions of reality. Experimenting with them can save money, suffering, and even time. When to use simulation? Systems that change with time, such as a gas station where cars come and go, called dynamic system, and involve randoms. Nobody can guess at exactly which time the next car should arrive at the station, or good candidates for simulation. Modeling complex dynamic systems theoretically need too many simplification, and the emerging model may not be therefore valid. Simulation does not require that many simplifying assumptions, making it the only tool even in absence of redundancies. How to simulate? Suppose we are interested in a gas station. We may describe the behavior of this system graphically by plotting the number of cars in the station. The state of the system: every time a car arrives, the graph increases by 1 unit, while a departing car causes the graph to drop 1 unit. This graph, called sample path, could be obtained from observation of a real situation, but could also the artificially construct such artificial construction, and the analysis of the resulting sample path consists of the simulation. Type of simulations: discrete event. The above sample path considered for the only horizontal and vertical lines, as car arrivals and departures occurred at distinct point of time, what we refer to as event. Between two consecutive events, nothing happened. The graph is horizontal. When the number of events are finite, we call the simulation discrete event. In some system, the state changes all the time, not just at the time of some discrete event. For example, the water level in a reservoir with given in and outflow may change all the time. In such cases, continuous simulation is more appropriate, although discrete event simulation can serve as an approximation. Further consideration of discrete event simulation. How is simulation performed? Simulation may be performed manually. Most often, however, the system model is written either as a computer program or as some kind of input into simulator software. System terminology. State: a variable characterizing an attribute in the system such as level of stock in inventory or number of job waiting for processing. Event and occurrence at a point in time which may change the state of the system, such as arrival of a customer or start of work on a job. Entity entity on object that passes although the system, such as car in an intersection or order in a factory. Often an event is associated with the entity. Queue. A queue is not only a physical queue of people, it can also be a task list, a buffer of finished goods waiting for transportation, or any place where entities are waiting for something to happen for any reason. Creating. Creating is cause and arrival of a new entity to the system at some point of time. Scheduling. Scheduling is the act of assigning a new feature event on an existing entity. Random variable. A variable is a quantity that is uncertain, such as interstitial time between two incoming flights or number of defective parts of a shipment. Random variety. A random variety is an artificial generated random variable. Distribution. A distribution is a mathematical law which governs the probabilistic feature of a random variables. A sample complex example. Building a simulation gas station with a single pump served by a single serviceman. Assume that arrival of a car is well, their service time are random. At first, identify the states. Number of cars waiting for some service and number of cars served at any moment. Event. Arrival of car, start of service, end of service. Entities. These are the cars. Queue. The queue of car in front of the pump waiting for service. Random realization. Interval time. Service time. Distributions. We shall assume exponentially distribution for both the interval time and service time. Next, specify what to do at each event. The above example would look like this: at event of entity arrival, creating next arrival. If the server is free, send entity for start of service. Otherwise, it join the queue. At event of service start, service become occupied. Schedule end of service for this entity. At event of service end, server become free. If any entity is waiting in queue, remove first entity from the queue, send it for start of our services. Some initiation is still required. For example, the creation of the first arrival. Lastly, the above is translated into code. This is easy with an approximate library which has subordinate for creation, scheduling, proper timing for event, queue manipulation, random variety generation, and static collection. How to simulate based beside the above, the program record the number of cars in the system before and after every changes, together with the length of each event. Simulation model development. Acquiring sufficient understanding of the system to develop an approximate conceptual, logical, and then simulation model in one of the most difficult tasks in simulation analysis. Model validation, verification, and calibration. In general, verification focuses on the internal consistency of a model, while validation is concerning with the correspondence between the model and the reality. The term validation is applied to those processes which seek to determine whether or not a simulation is correct with respect to the real system. More precisely, validation is concerned with the question: are we building the right system? Verification, on the other hand, seeks to answer the question: are we building the system right? Verification checks that the implementation of the simulation model corresponds to the model. Validation checks that the model corresponds to reality. Calibration checks that the data generated by the simulation matches real data. Validation. The process of comparing the model's output with the behavior of the phenomenon. In other words, comparing model execution to reality. Physical verification. The process of comparing the computer code with the model to ensure that the model is correct. Implementation of the model. Calibration. The process of parameter estimated for a model. Calibration is a tweaking, tuning of existing parameter and usually does not involve the introduction of new ones. Changing the model structure in the context of optimization, calibration in an optimization procedure involved in system identification or during experiment design. Input and output analysis. Discrete event simulation model typically has stochastic component that mimic the probabilistic nature of the system under consideration. Successful input model requires a close match between the input model and the true underlying probabilistic mechanism.
associated with the system. The input data analysis is to model an element. In a discrete event simulation, given a data set, collection on the element of interest. This stage performs intensive error checking on the input data, including external policy, random, and deterministic variables. System simulation experiment is to learn about its behavior. Careful planning or designing of simulation experiment is generally is great help saving time and effort by providing efficient way to estimate the effect of changes in the model input on its output. Statistical experimental design methods are mostly used in context of simulation experiment. Performance evaluation and what if analysis. The what if analysis is at the very heart of simulation model. Sensitive estimation. User must be provided with affordable technique for sensitivity analysis if they are to understand which relationship are meaningful in complicated method. Optimization. Optimization. Traditional optimization technique are required gradient extremes. As with the sensitive analysis, the current approach for optimization requires intensive simulation to construct an approximate surface response function, incorporating gradient estimates technique into convergent algorithms such as Robin-Menorio type algorithms for optimizing purpose will be considered. Gradient estimation application. There are a number of applications which measure sensitive information. For example, the gradient and Hesse sector, local information, structural properties, response, surface generation, goal seeking problem, optimization, what if problem, and meta modeling. Report generating. Report generating is a critical link in a communication process between the model and the end user. Thank you.